In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the WhatsApp Business Cloud API step by step, even if you're a beginner and have never touched an API before. This guide is perfect if you want to automate WhatsApp messages, connect your website to WhatsApp, or integrate WhatsApp with tools like Pabbly and WordPress. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple, practical way, so you can follow along without getting overwhelmed. If you find this video helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. The first step is to go to your dashboard. This is where you'll manage the main settings related to your website or application before connecting anything to WhatsApp. Make sure you're logged in with the correct admin account because you'll need permission to install plugins and manage integrations. Once you're on the dashboard, double-check that everything is working properly so you don't run into issues later in the setup. Next, you need to sign in or sign up to Pabbly. Open your browser and go to accounts.pabbly.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Pabbly is going to act as the bridge between your website, WhatsApp Cloud API, and your automation workflows. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface so you know where everything is located. Once you're inside Pabbly, the next step is to create triggers. Navigate to the Pabbly chat flow section and open the Flows editor. Here, you'll create a new workflow that defines when and how messages are sent on WhatsApp. Triggers are important because they tell the system what action should start the automation, such as a form submission, a new user registration, or a webhook request. Configure the trigger based on your specific use case and save your settings before moving on. Now, it's time to install WP Webhooks and complete the required instructions. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and search for WP Webhooks. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, follow the setup instructions provided by the plugin to connect it with Pabbly. This step allows your website to send data to Pabbly, which then communicates with the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. Make sure you carefully copy and paste any webhook URLs to avoid errors. After that, head over to developers.facebook.com. This is where you'll complete the setup for the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. Log in using the Facebook account associated with your business. Create a new app if you don't already have one, then add WhatsApp as a product. Follow the guided setup to connect your phone number, generate your access tokens, and configure webhooks if required. Facebook provides clear instructions here, so take your time and make sure each step is completed correctly. Once everything is connected, you've officially learned how to use the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. You can now send automated messages, integrate WhatsApp with your website, and build powerful workflows using Pabbly and WordPress. Before you wrap up, test everything to confirm messages are being sent successfully and triggers are firing as expected. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you understand how to use the WhatsApp Business Cloud API, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.